Hey guys, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Michael Winslow and I'm the CEO and founder of Acquisition Empire. And this is actually my attempt to share all my knowledge, expertise, and experience to help you grow your business, sell like crazy, and also increase your impact here in this world. Also, I'm a big firm believer in becoming the best version of yourself so you can become a walking billboard of human excellence. That is what I stand for. So if you don't have a business but you want to level up, you also come to the right place. So I'm just going to give you insights on how you can possibly build a business that is going to make you a lot of money. And if you're a business owner, a coach, consultant, you basically just sell your service online, you have come to the right place, because I'm going to teach you in this video exactly how to make $25,000 per month, even if you don't know what to sell. So the first thing we want to do if we want to build a business, but we don't really know what to sell, is that we need to identify ourselves. So you must identify yourself. So what you can actually do to do that is ask yourself some questions. First of all, you need to answer your questions of what is your career expertise or experience that you have had in your life. So basically take what you already have done in your life and all your experience, and also ask yourself, what do people ask you for help with? You're good at something, you truly are, and people have definitely asked you about something in your life, something that you're very good at. So please spend some time identifying who you are as a person. Also, what you can do is identify really what topics and subjects you could deliver a TED talk on right now, basically without any preparation. So just come up on stage and really just speak from the heart. Find out what topics you can do that with. And of course, you need to find out and really write down the skills that you have mastered in your life, and also the transformation that you have created yourself or help others do. So how have you gone from a problematic state to the dream state in your life? It could be anything: health, fitness, finances, relationships, basically with your job. Basically, take your knowledge and experience and find out exactly what, yeah, experience you have, but more importantly, what transformation that you can help others do. And make sure to spend a lot of time finding out and ask yourself this question: if you rewrote the story of your life and positioned yourself as the hero, how would that story go? How would that story be if you were the hero? And also looking at your life, how would that go? So that is the first step we want to do. The second step is to identify the niche. What we actually want to do here is take your passion, we want to take your former prior experience in your life, also something that you're confident about in your life. That could be, if you're good at fitness, you're really confident in fitness and in gyms and becoming healthy. So take what you're passionate about, what you think is absolutely fun to do, and you have a strong passion for, also what you have experienced in your life. Combine that with something that you're confident in, and also really multiply that with the opportunity. What I mean by opportunity is the market. The market you need to focus on needs to be a good opportunity. And a good opportunity today in 2024, and also the upcoming, yeah, 5, 10, 15 years, is going to be health, wealth, and relationships. The reason why these subjects are so powerful to be in is because people, unfortunately, the society is going to be more and more unhealthy. The obesity is just skyrocketing, unfortunately. So that means the problem with health is just going to rise. And if you want to build a successful business, you need to solve a problem. The second thing is that money and finances and wealth is going to determine our entire life. So that means it's not only right now, that has been, yeah, for the test of time. So if you want to build something that lasts forever, wealth is a very good niche to be in as well. So you could help people with the finances, with investments, the budgeting, something like that, investment planning, equity funds, whatever it is. Something inside wealth is also a very, very good thing. Relationships is also has also stand the test of time, because with relationships we are, yeah, having marriages and all these things, and they have been forever and they will be around forever. So basically relationships is also, yeah, a very good niche and area to be working inside and operate in. So that is very, very important that you combine your passion, your expertise, something that you're confident about, and also multiply that, and use it in a niche with health, wealth, relationships, something like that. That is very, very powerful. What you also need to be aware of with your niche is that they must have a purchasing power, because we want to make sure that they have the money to buy what you offer. Because you can have the perfect offer, but if people don't have the money, it's not going to work at all. So what you also want to do, along with the purchasing power, you need to make sure that they also have a pain. People are more likely to solve a pain than achieve a dream. So we are more motivated by pain than dreams. So make sure that it's actually, yeah, painful, the problem that you want to solve. Because if it's painful, it also becomes urgent for them to really solve that problem. What you also want to do is make sure that the market is actually growing. What do what is a growing market actually? A growing market means that people are spending money in the market. When they spend money inside the market, it simply means that the things inside the market, the offers, the products, the services, they are sellable. If something is sellable, that means someone will buy it, and that means you can make money. So make sure that whatever you choose is actually sellable. What you also want to do is that it needs to be easy to find. So make sure that the findability is easy. And what I mean by easy is that you need to find out exactly how easy is it to find the solution in the market. So if I wanted to lose weight or gain weight, how easy is it for me to find a fitness coach that could help me get in shape or lose weight or increase weight, whatever dream I had? So make sure that whatever you're choosing is easy to get access to, because if it's not easy, you're not going to sell anything to anyone. So make sure that it's accessible for everyone to acquire your services or products. That is so important. And then what we want to do and look at is the transformation, because nowadays people don't need more information, and a lot of agencies out there, a lot of coaches, a lot of info products are basically just selling expensive information that you can Google or watch on YouTube. We don't want to do that. The only thing we want to do is really provide a transformation. So what you can see here is that you need to identify, and you can just fill in these needs here that you see on the screen here. So basically you want to say, I help people, and then you want to type the type of person that you help inside your niche, your target audience. You help your target audience go from the painful problematic situation to a desired result, so they can, and then you just need to fill in what is the benefit of actually achieving the desired result. So that could be you help men and women lose um, 25 kilos to having a six pack, so they can be confident, believe in themselves, and actually build their dream life. That could be a very good transformation if you're a fitness coach. Or if it's finances, you help people, you help men or women go from a debt to actually, having a wealthy lifestyle, so they can have financial freedom, peace of mind, and also millions of dollars in their bank account. Whatever it is, you need to find out exactly what the transformation is that you provide, because people want a transformation. That is the only thing that sells. We don't want to sell expensive information we just can Google on or use ChatGPT to find the answer on. And this actually becomes your transformation statement, which means that it clearly articulates who you help, how you help them, and also the desired outcome you help them achieve. So that means it's going to be a pitch. So when people ask you what you're doing, you help people go from actually the painful problematic situation to a desired result so they can do X, Y, and Z. Also, what you want to do now, once you have the transformation, you also have identified yourself, you have also identified your niche. It is time for you to do more than 100 interviews with people from your niche, because you want, if you don't have anything to sell, the worst thing you can happen is just go out there and spend hundreds of hours building something and just hoping and praying that it will go viral but also sell. We don't want to do that. That is too risky. That is too stupid. So what you want to do is do 100 interviews with people from your ideal client, from your niche, interview them and really understand their needs. It is very, very important. What you also want to do when you have done all the interviews is that you need to track all the contact information of each person that you've spoken to. You also want to collect the feedback, the answers. You need to collect the answers and track it, because then you know exactly what people want. So when you are using the data, you can basically build the perfect offer for them. So when you reach out to the interview prospects and tell them about your new offer, will help them go from their problematic state to their dream desired result, so they can do the X, Y, and Z benefit of actually achieving that goal. They're way more likely to say yes. First of all, you have interviewed them. You have spent a lot of time just listening very intensely to their needs. And sometimes people don't even need a doctor in life. The only thing they need is an audience who listen to them. So when you have spent a lot of time just listening, they automatically believe in you. They trust you. And they also start liking you, because we do business with people that we like, know, and trust. So when you listen to them, just what they want to, they start believing in you, they start liking you, they also start trusting you, which is the foundation of making a sale later on. So what you want to do is reach out to them, tell them about your new offer, and frame it in a way that it's a perfect frame for their needs and also how it can solve the individual's problem and help them achieve their desired result. And then you want to offer them a discount and enroll them into your business. So let's say you actually want to price it for $3,000. You can get them in on $1,500, because it's your first enrollment, it's your first offer. So you just want to test it, but you also want to become compensated financially to make sure that people are actually invested financially and emotionally into your product and your help. And then because they like you, they trust you, they believe in you, and you are basically giving them the solution that they've been looking for a long time. They want to actually, yeah, get into your offer and program and really just make sure that you can help them do the transformation that they wanted to do so badly. And boom, then you have made a sale. I did that with my client, and we just started out um, from nothing. He didn't even knew what to sell. So this is perfect. If you don't know what to sell, this is perfect. And you can do this in 5 to 6 weeks if you're really good. It depends on how much you actually want to do it. But if you want to do whatever it takes, in 6 weeks, you can make more than $25,000 per month. But how do you actually scale it? This is just a bonus for you, because if you have watched till the end, I truly like you. You are a fantastic person. So therefore, I want to compensate you a little bit. So what you want to do further on, when you have clients inside your offer, they have said yes, they want your help. What you want to do is that you want to make sure that they're happy, they're getting all the results, and then you collect as much social proof as you possibly can handle. If you're not quite sure what social proof is, it's basically just proof that from other people that has been using your product or service to showcase that you know what you're doing. So you're showing results, reviews, testimonials, interviews, happy clients, great words about you and what you have been offering to really establish you as the trusted authority. So people automatically will say, okay, he knows what he's doing or she knows exactly what she's doing. What you want to do is use all the social proof, put it into ads. I've also done a lot of videos with ads and how you can do them correctly, spend the least amount of money, get the highest return on investment. So you can also click on that video. But what I want you to do is that use the social proof for your ads and just enroll people for the full price, of course, get them on a call, get to know them, their needs, and if they actually are a good fit, you can just go for the sale. You have the social proof to establish you as a trusted authority, so already there you have an edge. People should choose you because it's you and because you know what you're doing, and you have living proof that you can help people. So use all the social proof to scale your business, and that is actually the only thing that is going to slaughter your competition and leave you as the winner of the and becoming the emperor in your market. So basically, use the social proof to win ultimate in your market. That is actually it. And how I helped a client go from zero, he didn't even have a product, didn't even knew what he was good at, to now 180 days later having a seven-figure business. So if you want to do the same, I really recommend that you spend a lot of time identifying yourself, identifying your niche, identify the transformation that you want to provide, and do a lot of market research and a lot of interviews, and then enroll them into your offer. So that was basically just it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and comment what you think was the most insightful thing about this video. And just stay tuned. I'm going to share valuable insights, case studies on how you can grow your business, sell like crazy, increase your impact here in this world. And I'm so happy for you to watch this video so you can become the best version of yourself, grow your business to the highest potential, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.